For today's video, meron takong i-unboxing guys. Ayan, meron akong binili sa mall. Ayan guys, buksan na natin. Ayan guys, ito yung aking napamili sa mall guys. Charan! Guys, look, ang ganda. Ayan, alam nyo ba guys kung magkano lang to? Ayan, naka-sale na kasi to siya guys. Buy one, take one. Ayan, buy one, take one siya guys for only 45 pesos, dalawang peraso guys. Ayan o, ang ganda niya guys. Ayan, I really love white color guys. Ayan, white color na pinggan guys. Ayan. Ayan po yung aking napamili kanina guys. So, ang ganda nito. Ayan. O, diba? Dahil luma na kasi yung aming mga pinggan guys. So, bumili ako ng bago kasi murang-mura na siya guys. Nag-sale na siya. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ito lang yung aking nabili guys. Ito lang yung aking nabili sa mall. Ayan. Dahil kulang pa tayo ng budget ngayon guys. Ayan o. Budget meal muna tayo ngayon guys. Ayan, nagastos ko ngayong araw na to guys. Ayan o. And almost 600. 600 lang guys yung nagastos ko ngayong araw na to. Bili ko ng pagkain. Ayan, tapos ito nga pong pinggan guys. Ayan, 10 pieces yung aking nabili. 10 pesos na pinggan. O diba? And then guys, bumili din ako ng pang-decor. Pang-decor din guys. Ayan, pan-decor sa ating Christmas tree. Christmas lights. And then, meron din akong binili na guys, na disco lights. Ayan, disco lights guys. Tuwa ako. Tuwa ako guys sa aking mga nabili. Ayan, for only 600 pesos. Ayan, yun lang yung aking guys, nilabas. Ayan, 600 pesos lang. Ayan, dahil nagtitipid nga po ako guys, dahil wala pa akong payout. Ayan, tagal pa ng payout natin guys, halos every 25 of the month. Kaya naman, nauubusan ako ng guys. Nauubusan ako ng pang-allowance. Kaya ito lang yung nabili ko. Ang ganda. Ayan o. Ayan, o diba? Ayan, meron na naman akong nabili guys sa aking payout. O diba? Ito yung mga remembrance ko guys sa aking payout, sa aking YT channel. O diba? I really love it. Ayan, I hope you will always watch my videos guys. And please do subscribe my channel. Ayan, all my videos guys, it's all about my fashion. It's all about my fashion guys. Ayan, it's all about modeling videos and fashion videos. So, ayan guys, that's it for today. Ayan po yung aking nabili for today. Ayan yung ating pinggan, plates guys, 20 plates. Ayan, o diba? Ayan, pack na pack yan guys yung aking outfit for today. Ayan, pack na pack. Ayan si Mingming guys, yung aking guys, cat, very sweet. Ayan, lumapit na naman siya sa akin guys. Ayan si Mingming, naghahanap ng food yan guys. Ayan, so ayan, that's it for today guys. Ayan, I hope you will always watch my videos guys, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Ayan o, my outfit for today. Ayan si Mingming, sumuot pa talaga doon sa ilalim guys. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, bye everyone. I hope you enjoy my videos guys, and don't forget to subscribe my videos and watch. Ayan, don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Ayan si Mingming, talaga naman. So, that's it for today. Bye.